man got a line from the hat. Hey y'all. Oh my god, we both look crazy. Okay y'all, we back. Don't talk about my hair. I only got on here looking like this, so let me put my hood on or something, because I just look a mess. I'm about to do my hair. I have to blow dry my wig. I'm just probably gonna apply it. I'm probably not gonna have time to style it because I am gonna have to leave to go and get my nails done. But I was not paying attention in the beauty supply store when I checked out, and I bought these. I meant to buy regular wig caps, but I bought this HD, and this is the brand. I don't even know what brand this is, y'all. I only bought it because of the color, but I didn't realize it was this. This is an HD invisible wig cap. It's super sheer. It's like an HD sheer wig cap, y'all. This is like a stocking cap. Like this, I mean, this is like pantyhose. Like this is not like a regular wig cap. This is like pantyhose. And I really, really hope that it works and it don't have my wig looking crazy because I've never used this before. We are going to try this out today. I'm watching my girl Aaliyah, catching up on some of her vlogs. Y'all know this is my girl. And I'm just gonna do my stocking cap, blow dry my wig, and slap her on my head before I go to my nail appointment. After my nail appointment, I'm gonna go to my wax appointment. After my wax appointment, I might stop at the mall and see if there's anything cute, because we're going to dinner. We're going to dinner tomorrow. Very, very last minute. I am not prepared. I don't have anything to wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna probably stop at the store my boyfriend works at, Sweet 57, and just see what they have. I know she probably got some cute stuff in there for me. And yeah, y'all just about to watch me do my hair, so let's get into it.
Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right on the curb. Let this run fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, turn my girl down. This wig cap kind of ate a little bit. It's kind of chewing a little bit. Okay, wait.
For like rush stuff, so I get it. She told me in like an hour that I can make it back over here because I breathe. Hi, what's your name? Nice to meet you.
And y'all know I had to give me a little drink, okay? It's a little hot up here. I'm about to take this jacket off too. So I got me a little drinky drink. And yeah, we're about to install this wig, so let's get it.
Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. You reach my only decision. Ain't got no one that been calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Let this fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word.
Okay, y'all, my camera is really about to die. I'm about to go. I just installed my wig. It really is not done. It don't look the best, but I'm gonna get it together when I come back home. I'm just about to put my lace band on and go, and I will talk to y'all when I get there.
She's been talking since like September. Yeah.
bored. Okay, y'all, so my coochie is bald, and I just got back from getting my wax. I'm at home, but I really need to hurry up and try to just fix my hair up a little bit, because I'm about to go to the mall, and I don't want to be in there looking crazy. I don't want to walk around with this band on my head. So I'm just going to try to fix my hair up to literally the minimum amount of cuteness that I need. My nails are super cute, as y'all saw. It's got a regular French tip, how I normally do, a square French tip. I'm about to just go through my hair with the hot comb and the flat iron. Flat iron, I'm not really gonna do that. Like, I don't care if it's not bone straight. I just need it to look like something other than this. This is just like straight blow dried. I need to make sure my part is even in the middle. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I do need to go in and pluck a little bit more. I feel like at the top, I don't know, I'll see. Everything went well with my nails and my wax. Super excited. And I figured out what me and Ray figured out what we're gonna eat tonight. So after I leave the mall, I'm gonna go to this place called Sir's in Milwaukee. It's like a restaurant, lounge, bar place. They sell really good jerk chicken pasta, jerk Alfredo. And that is what I was craving. That's also what Ray wanted, but he said he was actually gonna wait until we got to Chicago to try and go get something from, I think he was gonna try to go to the Licking, but I want it right now, so. What you doing? Finna do my baby hair. Oh, I just burned myself. I'm just gonna pin my hair up so I can do my baby hairs. For real, for real. I use the Nairobi foam, as y'all know. Non-alcoholic mousse is what you want to use. And I just start by I just put it on the whole area first. Get it all over the hair. You kind of got to work fast, but at the same time, it all depends. Then work with a light hand and just swoop. I feel like it goes easier if all the hair is like covered in mousse. That's why I said saturate like all the hair with the product. Like the hairs just move a little easier. And then if it's a part that's not sticking down, I will take a little bit of my Got To Be gel and use that on any part that don't want to lay all the way down. Okay, so that's that side. Giving scalp, period. Okay, y'all, we back, we cute. This is as much flat ironing as I'm gonna do. It's 6:04, so I'm 4 minutes behind schedule, but it's okay. We finna head to the mall, and I will see y'all when I'm there. I just made it to the mall. I honestly don't even know if I told y'all today is my anniversary. Me and my boyfriend, we've been together for 2 years. I really do not remember like if I mentioned that today or not. Oops, but I mean, of course I told him happy anniversary and whatnot, but we are doing majority of our stuff tomorrow. So y'all know how I said we're going to Chicago tomorrow. That's why we're going. So we're going to celebrate and do some stuff out there tomorrow. So we're not really doing nothing today. Honestly, I might not be able to record. This music too loud. There he is. The love of my life for the past 2 years.
Thanks.
Say hi. second. Okay, y'all, I did not take, I'm home, but I did not take y'all into the restaurant because it was just loud as fuck in there. Like, it's dang near like the club. It's a Saturday night, so the music was real loud. But I did get the food, did secure 2 orders. Jerk pasta from Sir's, super good. If you are in Milwaukee, you should definitely try it. My battery is dying again. This is just crazy. But I'm just about to eat with my man when he comes home. And pretty much start to edit this video. I will see y'all tomorrow when we go to Chicago. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.